Today we're in Napa Valley, California, and we're exploring a popular spot in one of the most walkable and scenic downtowns in Northern California, the Napa Riverfront Promenade. We'll start at Oxbow Public Market, head down 1st Street, then take the path under the 1st Street Bridge to China Point Overlook. After that, we'll cross the bridge into downtown, follow the Riverfront Promenade to the end, backtrack to Main Street, cross the 3rd Street Bridge, and loop back along 1st Street to finish at Oxbow Public Market. Let's get started. Oxbow Public Market is one of the most popular gathering places in Napa. Opened in 2007 as part of the city's riverfront revitalization. This marketplace brings together dozens of local artisans, restaurants, cafes, wineries, and specialty food vendors all under one roof. It's become a favorite spot for both visitors and locals looking to experience all flavors of Napa Valley. As we make our way along the river, you'll notice several public art installations. They're part of Napa's Art Walk, an outdoor exhibit that adds a creative touch to downtown, while showcasing sculptures by artists from around the region. Talk about perfect timing. We caught the Napa Valley Wine Train rolling by. And the train engineer even gave me a fun surprise as they passed. There it is. Napa Valley Wine Train. The engineer threw me a pin out the window. Definitely an unexpected highlight of my walk. Let's take a moment to enjoy the views of Napa River. Not too many years ago, this river was known more for flooding than recreation. Massive flood control and restoration projects transformed the waterfront into the beautiful public space you see today, helping protect downtown while reconnecting the city with its river. Before heading into downtown, let's take a quick detour beneath the 1st Street Bridge. This quiet riverfront path follows the Napa River to a scenic park, where the river meets the Oxbow Bypass Channel, part of the flood control project that transformed Napa's waterfront into the beautiful public space it is today. This is China Point Overlook, a site that honors Napa's historic Chinatown. At the end of the path, you'll find a large circular steel sculpture, which has become one of the area's most popular photo spots. From here, we'll cross the 1st Street Bridge. Once across, we join the Napa Riverfront Promenade. This paved walkway stretches alongside the river. These smell great, these jasmine smell great. And has become one of downtown Napa's signature attractions. It's peaceful, beautifully landscaped, and offers a completely different side of wine country than most visitors expect. If you're looking for a unique way to experience downtown Napa, you can even take a gondola ride along the river. It's a relaxing way to enjoy the waterfront from a whole different perspective. Let's continue walking down and exploring the Riverwalk. Here, we stumble upon a beautiful and peaceful garden. With an interesting fish sculpture as its centerpiece. Towards the end of the riverfront, we come across the historic Napa Mill. Once a working grain mill dating back to the late 1800s, this beautifully restored building now features shops, restaurants, and the Napa River Inn. Combining Napa's rich history with its modern riverfront atmosphere. The weather seems to be turning around. We started this walk under dark clouds and the wind picking up, looking like it was going to rain. But now the sun's starting to break through. And it's turned into a pretty nice afternoon to explore the Napa Riverwalk. I finally found a chair I can fit in. Boy, I'm going to relax by Napa. Crossing the 3rd Street Bridge, we get another great view of the Napa River and the downtown skyline. It's a perfect spot to appreciate how the river has become the heart of Napa's popular waterfront. Thanks for joining me on this walk. If you enjoyed exploring the Napa Riverfront Promenade with me, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and check out my other travel adventures. And I'll see you on the next one.